Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you so much for joining us. Today we are going to draw Fred Warner, linebacker for the San Francisco 49ers NFL football team. First of all, we want to ask you to subscribe to our channel. We're trying to build that subscriber base, and check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Like us there on all those channels. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next. Fred Warner, one of the upcoming superstar defensive players, played college football for BYU, was a third-round pick to the 49ers, middle linebacker, and overall superstar. So let's get started. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across. Get a dark marker, pointed tip, and we're going to draw Fred Warner's head up here in the middle in cartoon format. So first of all, we're going to do a big jaw line. So we'll go down to a chin, angle up, and then angle in a little bit, okay? Maybe do a couple of ears, ovals right there. Now we'll do an arch connecting the ear area, like that, and another arch on top. This is his headband, and his hair kind of pokes out the sides, and we'll draw that right now. We'll bump up and down, kind of do some dreadlock shapes. Do another arch down, dreadlock shapes here. Do a neck down to a V. The V goes up and connects to the neck, and then these dreadlocks can kind of flow onto the shoulders. Okay, so let's do some eyes really quick. We'll do a couple of ovals, sideways ovals for eyes. We'll do a circle, big circle on the inside, big circle on the inside, a little circle, arch. Okay, we're gonna color this area in with our dark marker to fill in the eye and leave those circles white. Those are the highlights of the eyes, which really bring our cartoon characters and our athletes to life. Now this small area right here, we're gonna quickly get a blue. I like to get a light blue marker and fill this in. Just adds a little color to the character, and it represents the reflection of the stadium lights off our athletes' eyes. So just a simple blue color for that. We're gonna do some eyebrows. Now Fred Warner has big, thick eyebrows, so we're gonna start and go up and up. Okay, kind of like a mean eyebrow look. Now we're gonna go down. Okay. Two big lines going up and down to a point, up and down to a point. Okay. We can color these eyebrows in with our dark marker as well. Just to give Fred Warner his famous eyebrow look. All right, let's do the nose. So we're gonna go down, up, up. It's kind of the squiggly shape. I'm gonna actually color in the nostril area a little darker. And we're gonna do a mouth. We'll just do a line. So it goes down, up to a point, up, down, and out, and swoops out. Underneath that lip, he has this kind of lip beard. We'll color that in. A couple lines on the side of that mouth. Make a top lip there. Okay, now Fred Warner has a giant beard, so we're gonna bring the sideburn down, kind of draw a line where the black beard is gonna be filled in, and we'll fill this in during the fast forward, but just to let you know, this area, we might even make it a little bushier. This area is all gonna be beard, big Fred Warner beard. Okay, And we'll do a little bit of a mustache that kind of follows the shape of his lip. Not real thick, but a mustache nonetheless. Okay. We'll bring it down to meet his beard. Okay. So there's Fred Warner's face. We'll color in the hair with our dark marker and the fast forward. So now we're gonna come on the side of the hair, do an out, bump out. Those are the shoulder pads. Down, down, come in with an arch. Now we're gonna go down to his waist, straight across, down to the waist. All right, we'll do a big football over here. Even though he plays defense, we'll have him holding a football. Just makes it more interesting. Okay, so 2 curves for the football shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles and a thumb holding that football. And then Fred Warner muscle kind of popping out and then going behind that football. To the elbow, going behind that football. All right, and over here we'll do this arm. Big muscle pop out, and then do the forearm, 2 curves. His hand, his thumb, finger, 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 and finger to the wrist. There we go. And he'll have a glove. All right. Do a line right here. Fred Warner has his undershirt showing quite often, so, and now we'll do a 2 legs bump down to a circle and round it up to the waist. Couple of legs. Curve in to the ankle. Connect, connect. Now we'll do big shoes. Oversized cleats for our athletes. There's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for those shoelaces. Out to the edge of the paper and down. Come straight across to the ankle, heel, and stop. And connect with an arch. Bring that arch down for the heel, stop. Same thing, go to the edge of the paper, stop, round it up on the toe, and connect to the shoelace. Cool. There's Fred Warner. Now, we will do really quick, let's get our red 49ers pointed marker, and we're gonna do a couple of stripes that will leave white. Okay. So curve, up, curve, curve, up, and curve. Those will stay white. We'll fill in the jersey with the dark red. So let's do the number 54 really quick as well. Straight across, down, angle in, straight across, down, over, up. We're doing the number 5. If you need to pause or take a, see how we're doing this number, feel free to do so, as the numbers are kind of the hardest thing we do on these players. Lots of angles and lots of stops. So angle the 4 down, over, I'm going kind of fast, so feel free to pause or go in slow motion. Fill that in. Okay, number 54. So now we'll do red stripe, leave the inside white, red stripe, leave the inside white. We'll color the pants gold, and his socks, this area is going to be red. This area is going to be red. We'll do a red stripe for his shoes. Red, that'll be red. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna do fast forward Fred Warner of the San Francisco 49ers. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Don't forget to subscribe. We appreciate you guys. Let us know who you'd like to see next and share our videos. Why not? Fast forward now.